You no longer have to suffer to study. Hello, my name is Solane, and today we're going to be talking about the study methods that saved my whole entire academic career. And at the end of this video, I will give you a bonus tip that will make sure all of these other tips stay sustained. The tea tree method. I got this method from the YouTube channel Kanju Academy, I think. And basically, what you're going to do is take out your notes, whatever you study on, and put a column that consists of topics, titles, and terms. Topics will be the chapter in the unit that you want to study. Titles is the sections within those chapters, kind of like the subtitles or like the subheaders that you see in chapters. Terms are the bolded letter words and the keywords inside of those subchapters. And tables are the details to those keywords. What this does is make sure that you understand the concepts and that you're actually learning them. Focusing on the points that you struggle with rather than starting with the easier topics, make sure you're not wasting your time during studying, and it shortens the process. So prioritize doing the harder things first and then go down to the easier stuff that you probably know. The blurting method. This has saved me countless of times during the school year, and it's extremely simple. Basically, you're going to take whatever notes that you have and then you review those notes. Then you're going to put them away, write down everything that you remembered from what you just reviewed. After that, you take your notes and see what you missed, write those down, and repeat the process. This helps me a lot with memorization and cramming. Discipline. Not every day is going to be a fun study day. In fact, most days you're going to want to pull your hair out. But you have to remember that your grades are a byproduct of your choices. But most people can never build up the discipline that they need to get the results that they want. But I do teach you how to bypass this issue in my last video here. If you want to learn more about the tea tree method, I will link Kanju's Academy's video in my description down below. Make sure to comment because I love seeing you guys and what you guys have to say about the video. It really helps me out and I like talking to you guys. And remember, discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments.